Tired of your videos getting lost in the noise? Want to learn how to create content that actually connects with your audience? Let's dive into the world of video marketing 101. Common challenges include lack of ideas, poor video quality, ineffective storytelling. But with the right tools and strategies, you can overcome these challenges and achieve success. Here's what you need to know. Know your audience. Understand their interests, pain points, and what they want to see. Plan your content. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Use the right tools. Invest in video editing software that makes creating videos easy. Promote your videos. Share them on social media and other relevant platforms. Ready to take your video marketing to the next level? Check out our website for more tips and resources, or contact us to learn how 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐸𝐴ker can help you create amazing videos.